So first of all, a few words about myself. Who am I and why should you listen to me anyway? Excellent question. So as I said, my name is Jonathan. I used to work in several banks and investment houses after graduating for finance studies in the university. That was before I decided to quit, open my own business, and basically work only for myself. Today I have several businesses, mostly online, and yes, I do trading. It was about 2 years ago when I found out about the cryptocurrencies market and the great opportunities it holds. While combining my knowledge and experience in this field, I realized that it works perfectly well. I made some really great profits, and the timing now is good. And in this course, I'd like to introduce you with this exciting developing niche and teach you how you can profit from it as well. So what is day trading? By definition, day trading is buying and selling assets within the time period of the same day. It is very popular in the huge foreign exchange and stock market, and now it becomes more and more popular in the crypto markets as well. When you day trade, you are looking for taking advantage of short-term movements, buying a certain asset at a low price and selling it at a higher one. That way you make profits from the difference between those two prices. To simplify it, think that if you bought one Bitcoin at 12 o'clock in the price of $10,000 and you waited for it to rise to $10,100 and sold it right there, 1 hour later, in such a case, you earned $100, which is the difference between those two prices. As a day trader, you use only short-term strategies and strive to take profits quickly, running away from the market with it. Then you start over tomorrow or whenever you want to trade again.